Good evening and welcome to Al Khor. Welcome to the Al Bayt Stadium, the venue for this one. My name is Derek Ray and my commentary partner on this occasion is Stuart Robson. And both teams looking to get off to a flying start here on match day 1 for them at the 2022 FIFA World Cup. It's Argentina and they take on Saudi Arabia.
Well, I'm looking forward to this one, Derek. It's so important that you get off to a good start. So let's hope both sides go for the win here and we get an exciting match.
And so the match is underway. Romero. Lionel Messi. Paredes. Giovanni Lo Celso. Marcos Acuna. Teammates available. Martinez. Oh, a vital interception. Saleh Al-Shehri. Losing possession. Well, they know they need to stop him, but they dealt with the threat posed.